guys, we're back with another video, and today we are gonna try to never lose in a video. As you can see, I don't have my background today because I accidentally took it down because I wasn't gonna do this video, but I did it for a surprise. So we bought this car today, right now, and it's called the Tesla Roadster. I fully upgraded it. Well, not yet, not fully yet. It got earlier, right now, it got 5.6, and that is really fast. So I decided to make a video where I try to never lose in the airport quarter-mile race. Let's see. There's only one guy, unfortunately, that sucks. We're gonna try to race. Here we go. You know what the video's about. Sorry my background, if it's a little messy, I'm sorry, but we're gonna do this. This seems, Ford GT looks really fast. I think I can still beat it. But yeah. Did I do the intro? I'm gonna do it right now, just in case if I didn't do it. Hello guys, we're back with another video on Vehicle Simulator. Oh wait, I already did that. Sorry guys, I kind of forgot. Sometimes I'm a little dummy, so yeah. But we're gonna do this video for you guys. Usually post 2 a day, but now we're gonna do 3. Cause gotta do it. So we're waiting for a car right now to race. Then I'll just make some ramps. I mean, not raps, speed bumps. Yeah. Okay. Well, here we go. We're racing, guys. Here we go. We are racing, and we won. We totally won that race. I have no idea how we won. We got 6-1. I have no idea why. We're just waiting for the quad turbo. Costs $75,000, and we're gonna make it soon because this car is speeding fast. Speeding fast. Ow. Shift D. Who freaking cares? Whoa, oh, and by the way, I'm an awesome singer. Yeah, baby, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Oh yeah, better get this on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you better get this on. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. If I didn't mention I was a good singer, there you go. I know you're probably like, oh my gosh, you're a great singer. Oh my god, I thought you were cool. I am cool, but I also like singing. I was just born with it. People are born with special stuff. Special stuff, huh? Special stuff. Okay. Hi. So we're doing a video, and we're going to the big Look, my hands are off the keyboard. Hi, my name is Logan, and today you will be on my channel. Today you will be on my channel. You will arm bump, a bump, Hey, Gabby! So look over there. No, look that way. Oh no, I'm racing. Here we go, we're racing! So we won the first time, are we gonna win the second time? No loses so far, no loses. Oh yeah, sorry guys, we don't want to edit our videos yet because that takes too long, and I just like to do my videos right now. Later, like after we get like a lot of subscribers, then we'll start editing our videos and all that stuff. And all that stuff. The stuff. So, we have 2 wins. 2 wins and 0 loses. So, look this way. You can look at my money. We are trying to get, our goal today is $75,000. I know that sounds like a little bit, but it's hard with this car because the thing gets pretty slow. But it's not! So listen, you computer, you give me $75,000, and then we'll be fair. If you don't, I'm gonna smash my computer. So you better! If you still want to be alive, you better, you little boy. Huh. Let's see if we're gonna be a race. Oh, right, we're not. So, XDDDDDDDD. Let's do this. Right. Hold on, we have to go to the shop. Dang it, we don't have enough for it. Dang it! 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 I just punched my computer. Hi. Guys, I actually didn't punch my computer. Don't tell the other people. I just like did this. Look. Okay, we're trying to get this video on. Come on, guys, we have to do this video. Oh, guys, I want to tell you something. I never lost with this vehicle right here. Never once. Because I got it today. You just got roasted, people. I'm just kidding, you didn't. I did. Because I don't know what I did. Let's go to the store really quick. I want to see something. I need to, what? Perks. What? Wait, I have video? Oh, I thought I had it. Purchase? What? Perks? This is weird, guys. I have, what's in single? What's in? Hide from everyone makes you invisible, useful for staying off the grid. Huh. Oh. Okay, we won 3 times, and that is do this. So whenever, nope, it doesn't show anything. So we haven't lost once yet. That is really good for this episode because we're trying to not lose. Pretty obvious. Pretty obvious. Logan Hum has won. Logan Hum has won. Boy, I'm faster than all of you. I am faster than all of you. I'm faster than all of you guys. Cuckoo. I will. I will race you guys and win. I will race you guys and win. Oh, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I was just telling them I was the fastest car in the world and I was gonna win. Wanna race them because they're gonna lose. 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 Because I'm gonna say you are going to lose. You are going to lose. You are going solo K me car isa lapachichi. You are going to lose. Le. No. ¿Qué? ¿Qué? Sí. Bro, sí. XTD, sí. Bro. Oh my god, you're slow. Oh, guys, these people can't beat me. It's kind of freaky. It is. Okay, guys, we lost once, unfortunately. We had to lose once. Oh, yay. Okay, we did lose once. That's okay, though. Since we lost, our record is 3 wins and 1 lose. There you go. There's for that video. Thank you for watching. And bye.